Good morning guys. Ayan, papunta na po kami ng airport and sad to say na uuwi kami dahil patay yung aking tatay. And actually, nakauwi naman kami last year. Nahag ko pa naman din siya, but still, hindi biro yung pag-uwi ng Pilipinas actually. It's too much money. But it's okay kung makikita mo naman yung family. Diba? So, ayan, pansamantalang iiwanan po namin ang aming bahay for 3 weeks. So, ayan. Sana sundan nyo ang aking pag-vlog from here to Philippines and sa mga lahat ng kaganapan. Ayan. And of course, I know yung iba dyan, wala naman pake sa aking update, but yung iba syempre ay mga marites, so alam nyo na. So ayan, see you in the airport guys. So, ayan, madilim pa guys, diba? Maaga yung... Good morning.
Yeah, so that's
Diba?
Emery, she didn't know that.
They are actually 5.
Soraya.
Time check.
Kennedy.
5 something. Early in the morning. So, ang flight po namin is 9.
At the phone.
I have a soul.
9.
When you said no.
9:15.
I got a soul.
7 something. Naman sa malapit sa amin kaso mas okay yung dito. And then dun sa airport namin na malapit pupunta pa dito, diretso na dito so magpa-fly pa papunta dito. Yeah, we're in the airport now. What are you doing, Adrian?
Right here.
Yes. So ayan, nandito na kami guys. Airport in Houston. Ang daming tao. May maliit pa kami. Diba?
We can go this way.
So ayan, kailangan mag-check-in dito para tungto, diba? Sana lang talaga hindi kami ma-late, diba? Okay, yung ganito po mag-check-in dito. Pero kailangan pa rin namin pumunta doon. Taylor doon.
This is Filipinos.
Oh my God, guys. I can't imagine. Dinala ako sa... The dog.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out.
It smells something to me like... What the hell what I did?
I don't know what you got in there.
No, but nothing.
Baby.
Nothing. May pulis kasi na ano na aso dito, no? So ganito 'yun, guys. Nag-iba ako ng rota ng ano na kung saan yung check-in. So, may naamoy sa akin ba? Na, sige naman kung may marijuana or something, drugs. But anyway, wala naman sila makahanap sa akin. But anyway, nag-apologize naman yung sabi ko, I understand. Ginagawa lang nila yung trabaho nila. So anyway, ginabahan ako kasi wala naman akong dala. Kami sa kung saang destination. Malilate pa ata kami. So, ganun guys, sa security, pag may naamoy yung aso, so iba yung dadaanan mo, so i-check yung gamit mo as in, kahit na lang to, hand carry. Akala ko may laman na yung bag ko na kung ano yun. So, thank God naman na okay naman. So, ayan guys, nandito na kami sa kung saan yung wala pa yung aeroplano dito, 9 something pa ang dating. Jonah, hi! Ayan, yung bangs, may bangs na siya guys. So ayan, anyway guys, siguro dahil dun sa, meron akong melatonin sa bag ko. This, here, sleeping pills to. So hindi ko alam kung yun yung ng aso. But anyway, wala naman silang na-find anything sa akin. Dahil hindi naman ako nag-drugs. Kalo. Pero syempre kinabahan ako kasi baka may naglagay sa bag ko, diba? Which is from the car to airport. So wala naman nag-touch ng bag ko. Kasi sa Pilipinas ganun. So this is the first time. This is my first experience. Na may nami sa akin yung aso. Baka naman di ako naligo. Kung aso na yun is, ano po yun? Police po yun. So, yun yung, di ba kahit sa Pilipinas meron naman ganun. So, ayun, kung may ma-suspicious, ma-smell silang suspicious, ayun, dadalhin sa bag, ayun, to check kung anong meron sa bag mo. Anyway, kinabahan ako. Yung mata ko na gumaganito, lalo siyang gumalaw. Ayan, Jana! So, ayan, waiting na po kami ng aeroplano. Time to board na guys. Ayan, yung plane guys, papuntang Honolulu, Hawaii. Ayan, dun po kami dadaan. And then, Hawaii to Guam. So, ayan. Then, Guam to Manila. Ayan, foreign line. Ayan yung plane na sasakyan namin. Papuntang Honolulu, Hawaii guys. Hiwalay kami. Yung kabila. So, ayan, dito na kami. Hiwalay yung aking asawa nandun sa kabila. Here's the first connecting flight ng ating sinakyan papuntang Honolulu, Hawaii, and then of course Hawaii to Guam, then Guam to Pinas. Yogurt. Yogurt. Breakfast lang kasi to guys. So, ayan, may mango dito. Classic breakfast. Walang pandesal. Sa United Airlines po. Is it good?
for the next several minutes. It appears that all of those carry-on items that you're seeing.
Thank you. Okay, first flight. Ayan, haggard na. 8 hours flight. Nasa Honolulu, Hawaii na kami guys. And after this, 7 hours flight. And then after 7 hours, 3 hours. So, ayun. Walang tulog. Diba? Mamaya, next flight, matutulog kami. Layo, diba? Hindi biro yung pag-travel. Kaloka. Yes, may sexy din. Ayan, mag-board na agad kami. Di ba, ang bilis? Walang patumpik-tumpik. Paglapag, board agad. Ayan, pasakay ulit ng airplane. Ayan, dito na kami. Buti na lang dito may TV, oh. Diba yung isang flight, wala. 8 hours yung kanina, pero wala man lang kaming panuoran, walang wifi, and everything. Gano'n. Kaso, hiwalay kami. Hiwalay. Actually, dapat hiwalay nga. Kasi hiwalay talaga. Pinix lang namin. Kung anak namin na 5 years old. Mag-isa. Ayan, fixing to take off, guys. Ito yung dalawa. Tired? Next lapag nito, sobrang haggard na haggard. may isa pang isa pang flight. What? This one. At least may TV dito. First time ako makasakay ng 8 hours ng flight. Kasi walang TV. Ayan, nakain ulit. Kain tayo guys. Ano mo? Chicken something. Walang kanin. Ayan guys yung pagkain. Hindi ko alam kung makakain ko siya. Ayaw din ng bata. Bigyan siya ng tabi ng food. Hello. Yan ang klaseng pagkain ko. Sa Hawaii. Diba? Ayan guys. Example lang. After this 3 hours. Diba? Haggard na haggard.
Area around your seat clear. Feel free to keep using and charging your phones and tablets. Just make sure they're on airplane mode and either placed in a pocket or held. If you're seated in an exit row, please unplug all devices from the outlet. Double check your seatbelt is fastened. Bring your seatbelt with your headrest and footrest back to their original positions and put away your tray tables and video monitors. We'd also like to remind our business class customers to please put on your shoulder harnesses. So seated in an exit row, we encourage you to open up the window shades for landing. Flight attendants, please secure the cabin for arrival and be seated.